Welcome to another episode of Paddleboard Places. We take you to paddleboard places all around the country and show you where to go, where to launch, where to park, and most importantly, what to see. Today, where are we, hon?
We are in Hawaii. We're on the island of Oahu, and we are on the north shore in Haleiwa on the Anahulu River.
You said that very well. She lived in Hawaii for a while. So come with us, it's going to be a good day. This river is a little, it's moving.
It's tropical, it's beautiful. There's a lot of sea turtles here.
You'll see some turtles.
Watch for.
Someone earlier today said they saw a few manta rays too. So keep your eyes open and come with us. It's going to be a great day.
I didn't spend enough time in Hawaii because I pronounced everything wrong. It's Haleiwa. It's on the northwest side of Oahu, and you will love it. We're coming into town. It's a great place to rent boards right here. We brought our own this time, so we are going to come park right in here. Okay, so this is the town. You can also go across the bridge, and there's more shopping. This is where we're going to paddleboard the river, okay? If you're going to rent boards, you go right over here. And they have an access spot right to the water.
The parking lot here is not too bad. I'd say you could fit probably 20 cars in there. You obviously want to come early. And here's where we're coming down to launch. Just a little walk down the rocks here, and then you can launch right through there. Now remember, if you're renting a board across the street, they have a little place where you can launch right down there, get in the same body of water. Ready to go, honey? Yep. This is the way to go. If you want a nice, little more leisurely ride, you go to the left under the bridge. That's a nice river. And if you're up for adventure, then you go out to sea.
It looks like there's a harbor right here, and I bet, you know, if it's a really busy Saturday and you can't park, I bet you could park in the harbor and launch in the harbor and then just come around this point right here. But this is where we launched today. We'll show you a few options as well. Here's another launch option coming into Haleiwa. Park here at the bay. You can unload your boards right here and get on the water. Follow the rock wall and it will take you to the river. Alright, we spotted our first sea turtle. It's the beauty of this river. The turtles come in here to rest and to feed. Faster than me. Oh, there's another one right here. You see him? He just popped his head up. He's coming right at me. There he is. It's a bit windy on the island today, so we decided the river would be a nice option. And we always love this river because of the turtles. Woo! Hey, buddy! Just cruising with the turtle. We've made a friend. We got a little turtle following us. Here he comes.
So the other thing that's cool about this is you've got a lot of old Hawaiian, I would call them maybe plantations, that are along the side of this river, and a little variety of terrain. I mean, look how gorgeous that is. It looks glassy, and my friend the turtle is still hanging out with us. He's just following us around. We can't seem to shake him, but that's part of this fun trip. Every time we've gone on this trip, we've seen at least one turtle. He's hanging out. Coming up. Just amazed at how many turtles. This little family here. 1, 2, and the back is 3. And there's 2 more over that way. We're just enjoying this river and all these turtles in here. Way fun. You gotta come here.
turtle on this rock right here. He's like a land turtle.
Don't scare me.
Okay, we're at the end. It's gotten too shallow. Can't get any further. We both almost biffed it hitting rocks. So it probably means time to turn around.
Okay, we're always looking for that adventure, and I tried to get through these rocks and wander through. It just ain't happening. I guess you could pick up the paddle and walk it through, but they're all over. Even where it looks like you can get through, there's rocks right under the surface. So we are going to turn around here at the Red Bridge, and it's been a great paddle. Wouldn't you say, honey? Oh yeah, we'll go downstream in about 4 minutes. It took us about an hour to come up. And today it's a little windier than normal. We should probably have looked at the wind app, but hey, we're in Hawaii and you only get a couple of chances to do this. Getting blown around by the wind, but still beautiful, right? Unbelievable. You're gonna love this river. Okay, crazy thing. I don't know what this tree, what kind of fruit is in this tree. Yeah, I just hit myself in the head. But there's some fruit in this tree, and when the wind blows, the fruit is falling. I don't know if that's papaya or what that is, but one guy was paddleboarding right under. And he was paddleboarding right here, and a piece of fruit just hit his board, and another one just fell just a second ago.
It's a nice leisurely ride back. The wind at our back, the river flowing at our back.
And we're moving.
And we're moving. All right, we're almost done. We might go out to the bay a little bit. We'll film out there.
Okay, the biggest manta ray I've ever seen. Look at that sucker. That's got a wingspan of like, I don't know, 6 feet. He's just swimming right along. This is on the past the bridge, outside of the bridge as you go into the bay. Look at that sucker. Beautiful. Yep, he's doing a spin, he's doing a loop. There he is, waving. Look at that.
So if you're on the island of Oahu, you really need to stop in Haleiwa. It's a great place, a beautiful town, fun touristy things to see, and the paddleboarding is amazing. We gave it perfect 10s all around.
That was Haleiwa, an amazing place.
On the Anahulu River.
And the turtles, unbelievable. And at the very end,
we saw a big old stingray.
And
he
wow,
was huge. He was just going back and forth in this little
he was swimming with
river
us.
Area from the bridge to the bay.
So if you want to see the manta rays, I think you need to be past the bridge and toward the bay. We didn't see any in the river. We just saw a lot of turtles in the river, but it's worth coming.
It was quite the day.
So fun, really cool.
Don't forget, like and subscribe.
And until next time, keep paddling, everyone.